I love walking around Lowe's. I love just standing in the paint section and looking at all the colors.
Why do you like need a microphone?
I am Rachyl Lagrone.
I'm Wolfgang.
I go by Lowe, and we painted the Murfreesboro mural. So I narrowed it down to this mansion and the sunflowers. We have lots of sunflower fields, and that's a thing here. And I love architecture, and it's a really beautiful building. I could just add details and details for months. I feel so blessed that I can share it with my son. He seems genuinely interested in it. He definitely asks pretty often, like, Mom, can I go outside and spray paint? So, oh yeah, it's awesome to share this experience with him.